Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we'll talk about modes of payment to the contractors. What are the different ways that we pay contractor? So this will define all the ways in which payment is being done to the contractor via various installments. So this video is very important. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So now let's talk about first and final payment. First, we have to read that the bill is prepared on the basis of measurement book in which the completed construction work and material provision is recorded. There are many payments paid to the contractor. So contractor is being paid on the basis of its measured work, which he keeps it in his measurement book. So the payment is made to the contractor by that measuring its actual work, and the measurement book work is known as its contractor done work. What the contractor has done his work in the site so far, he records it in the measurement book, and payment is done to the contractor based on that measurement book. So this is known his actual work. So this is how the payment are being made to the contractor. First and final payment, the whole payment is given to the contractor at the completion of the project. So it is only for small projects, like if a contractor has done some small works, civil works, so he will be given the whole payment at the end of the project. For big projects, such mode of payment is made for cancellation of the contract. Like if you are dealing a big project with a contractor, the whole payment is given if the contractor, we don't like the contractor, we want to end the agreement with him. So the bill is made for this payment is known as form number 24. So the bill which is made for this type of payment is known as form number 24. So this is form number 24, first and final payment. So the whole payment is given to the contractor at the end of the project, at the completion of the project, or in case of cancellation of the contract. The final payment, this is the last payment made to the contractor at the completion of the project, and previously smaller payments are made to the contractor. Its bill is called form number 26. This is a little different from the first and final payment, as the whole payment is done to the contractor, but before that small payments like installments are paid to the contractor before this final payment. So this is known as final payment, and its bill is called form number 26. Intermediate payment. So before the final payment, small payments are made to the contractor which are known as installments, and this is also known as intermediate payment. So all these payments made to the contractor before the final payment for the work done or material supply from the contractor, this bill is called form number 26. So this is basically what it means, final payment and intermediate payment. And what is running payment? Running payment is known as payment on account or current payment, and it is made after measuring the work done or material supplied by the contractor. So this is same like if we are making an intermediate payment to the contractor, this would be known as running payment or the current payment. So each installment would be known as running payment, and its bill is known as 26. Secured advanced payment. This payment is done after the contractor supplied the material at the site, and its bill is called 26A. So this is made to the contractor when a contractor has supplied the material at the site or the work done. So after he has done something, this payment is made. This is known as secured advance payment. This is an advance payment, but it's secured because the contractor has supplied the material or has done something before completion of the project. So this is known as secured advanced payment, and its form is called 26A. Now the next is advanced payment. This payment is done after assuring the contractor work at site but not measured accordingly. Later on the difference is paid again or taken from the contractor. This bill is called form number 26A. This is advance payment made to the contractor based on his work, his guesswork, and not measuring his actual quantities. Once the actual quantities are made, the difference is given to the contractor or rather taken from the contractor in case of up and down. So its bill is known as 26A. So this is advance payment done to the contractor. So these are the types of payments or modes of the payment to the contractor in which we pay the contractor for our execution of civil work. So this is for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.